Good morning, children. This is your MSc class. We will continue our online classes. Chapter 4, Determination to Succeed. Story. You will never be able to score well in mathematics, Rahul's mother said to him after looking at his report card. After looking his report card, Rahul's mother said to Rahul, "You will never be able to score well in mathematics." Rahul was hurt and sad that he could only barely pass this time too. And Rahul hurt himself and get sad because his mother said this. And he could only barely pass this time. Barely means just pass. This time he got just pass mark in mathematics. By seeing the report card, his mother said, "You will never be score well in mathematics." Rahul knew that he was weak in maths and liked other subjects better. But he decided to prove his mother wrong. And Rahul knew that he was weak in maths, but he liked other subjects. And he decided he will prove his mother wrong. He was determined to score full marks in his next test. So, he decided to work harder. He went to his maths teacher and requested her to help him and understand the concepts in her free time. And Rahul was determined to score full marks. So he decided to work harder. And he went to his maths teacher and requested her to help him and understand all the concepts in her free time. Whatever doubts Rahul have, he will clarify in the free time. She was a busy teacher, but she agreed to help Rahul. Rahul's math teacher was a busy teacher. Always she was busy in doing class, taking class, etc. But she agreed to help Rahul. She said, "I will definitely help you, but you will have to work very hard." Rahul's maths teacher said, "I will help you. I will definitely help you, but you have to work hard. You will have to come and forget playing in your lunch break and use that time to understand maths better." And the teacher said, "You have to forget your playing time in your lunch break, and that time you use to understand maths better. Because that lunch break, the teacher will take class of Rahul's." It was a difficult thing to do because Rahul liked playing with his friends in the lunch break, and that was the only time during the 8 hours at school that children got a break from studies. And it was very difficult thing to do because Rahul liked playing with his friends in lunchtime. And that was the only time during the 8 hours at school. They were playing together in lunchtime. It is very difficult for Rahul, but Rahul was sure that he would do everything possible to score well in maths. So, from the next day, he met his teacher every day during the lunch break and cleared his doubts. After 1 full month of hard work, the date of the exam came. Rahul was nervous but also sure that he has put in a lot of effort. But Rahul was sure that he will do everything for his score, and it is possible to score well in maths. So, from the next day onwards, he met his teacher every day during the lunch break, and he cleared all his doubts. And after 1 full month of hard work, the date came for exam. Rahul was nervous, but he was sure that he will put in a lot of effort. When the result of his exam came, Rahul's mother was pleasantly surprised to see that her son scored 100 out of 100. She hugged Rahul and said, "There is nothing that you cannot do. Keep it up." And when exam finished and when the results came, Rahul's mother was pleasantly surprised. Rahul's mother was surprised by seeing 100 out of 100. She hugged Rahul and said, "There is nothing that you cannot do. Keep it up." There is nothing that. Before, his mother said, "You will never be able to score well in mathematics." His mother already said, "You will never be able to score. You will never get 100 marks in maths." Like this, his mother said. But now she came to know that there is nothing that nobody can do. So she said, "Keep it up" to her son. Moral of the story: key to every success story lies in the determination to succeed. The child will be able to gain the awareness and develop critical thinking. Determination is the key to all success. Our determination comes from our self-confidence. We cannot achieve anything if we are not determined to achieve it. Determination keeps us upbeat even in an adverse situation. Difference between the success and failure in your life lies in your determination. We have to self-confidence. I can do. Nothing is impossible for me. Everything is possible. Okay. So children, always you have to self-confidence and determination to success all the things. Thank you, children.